Hello everyone, this is Roque again from Puerto Rico. I'm trying to finish my homework. I've been running around trying to make it work, but I keep getting the too many user invited error. So trying the workaround on doing the broadcast to the public, and then after that sharing the link. So that's why I didn't complete the pair programming, even though I complete the homework. So I hope that for the next uh, homework, I will be able to do the actual pair programming experience. Okay, let's share screen. Keep getting problem with the broadcast. I think it had to do with the color scheme. Let me change that real quick because I don't want to start over once again. So bear with me. Okay, this too many problems to get it on. So I hope for the next time it will be easier. So let's see what happened with the color scheme of my computer now. I don't know why I'm having too many problems. Oh man. Okay, standard. Apply. Let's still waiting. Seems to me that I'm gonna start once again. Sorry about that. been broadcasting without knowing. So sorry about that. Let's check. Let's start. Okay, homework part 1. I did the definition of homework 1. I always do test cases. After doing this part of the homework, I noticed that there's a better way to do the uh, error handling, okay, or catching the exceptions. Right now, for the sum, what I did is that I make sure that the elements of the array are integers. I have I want to uh, display what is going on. Everything is okay. If everything is an integer, I check. Also that is not empty to do the sum of the element. Okay. No problems with that. For other type of functions, method that we're gonna use, make sure that you include an variable. After that, the next part is the sum method, the max2. Again, test cases. I check that everything is an integer. It's not empty. If it's empty, I return 0 as per instructions. If it's length 1, I return just to let you know that my wife just got in Murphy Law. I've been trying to broadcast. This is the fourth time, and now she's making me laugh. Sorry about that, TA. So I hope I finish this tonight. It's kind of difficult though. So again, array 0. If it's only one element, after that, I need to add the the so I do a sort. my God. You know, it's difficult. Why? It's not that easy. Half a day trying to get this done. Sorry about that. So get the last two married, and you get the sum. Okay. Last but not least, so part 0. Um, oh my God. So here we go. Um, check for empty. Check for land. Since it said empty array and singular array should return 0, so we have a false here and a false here for empty, just one element. Okay. After that, what I'll do is, after checking about the array documentation that you have, a combination method on it. So after that, I use that to do multiple do the sum and check if the sum of those two combinations, that's why here we have the 2, okay, are equal to n. If is that the case, then we are done. So I traverse. I return true if there's no element, two elements that are equal to, the sum are equal to n, then I will get to the last part and return false. Okay. So more or less that's part 1 of homework 0. Okay. So let's see if I can finish part 2. Once again, I use the definition, I use the test cases. The first part said that it's a method hello, concatenate a name. So I verified that it's a string that I got. If that's the case, then I return the string with the name. It's not false. That was really quick. Again, the second method. For this, it took me a while. It took me a while to get the right expression to catch the consonant at the beginning. Okay. So what I do is I test for a string beforehand. Here, because I'm just returning true or false. So what I'll do, instead of searching for all the consonant, I also only search for the vocals, the vowel, within the string with the scan. If that's the case, then I'm gonna get string. I test for empty string to see if it's a or any vowel on the at the beginning. I will get empty. Okay. If it's not, I will get true. This last part here, though, is very important in order to get non-letter, okay, like pound sign. Without that, you're not able to get the pound sign. It took me a while. I just use Google to search expression, and then I use also a regular count to test the expression beforehand. So if we go expression here, let's see. And then okay, just you can build here the expression beforehand, test it after you get the expression to make sure that match the vocals. The vowels you can use it within the method. Okay. So last part is the binary checking. Again, I have here kind of a pseudo code. I first for the binary I check if it's not empty. So it is the case. I get this just to make sure. Oops. After if it's empty, I return false. Else, I check if it's multiple of 4. So this is from binary to number. Okay, I divide by I use a module mod 4. It should return 0. If that's the case, then it's true. Okay, I'm doing all this. If it's I'm string, okay. If it's so that way I make sure that if I use this case, I managed to return false as well. Okay, so that's part 2 of the homework. Again, make sure that these expressions, there's one, there's many ways to do it. Okay, um, this only check for 5 letters at the beginning, and then characters, and then here make sure that expression you can check on ruler as well. Let me take a so whatever binary is, if you add a letter, no match. If you add a number, no match. Number with letters. So starting with 1, starting with 0, it will work. So once again, this is for the binary. I would. This is for making sure that it's only 0 and 1. So if I take away that, okay, and I add a letter, see, I'm gonna get the first part, but that is not a right value. Okay, so without that, without the B, and the plus sign is that you're checking for more than one expression, series of 0 and 1. Okay, so what I did, I tested expression beforehand here, and then after that, I put it here. If it's not empty, okay, if it's empty, I return false. If it's not empty, then I go a binary string into, I do a mod 4, it should return 0. Okay. Okay, so part 3. Again, I do the test cases and copy the instruction beforehand. This is this was new for me, so I used Google to check on that. There were several ways to use that. A couple of sites on how to use it. Okay, and after that, the initialize. Make sure is to use the accessors. So them right for ISBN and price. Well, I search in this right file on the very first one. That case for a number, I need to make sure it's a number. Okay, if I get string, let's see, it will be like a temp to stock. I will get that. So the order is important. I check for a string on the ISBN, get this method. Another way to do it will respond to that method, and you will know that it's some strings. Anyway, it's just straightforward. The order is important. Okay. For the price, I use SpinF. If you have used C++ or similar, you format your argument as a float with 2 decimal places, and then you add the $sign that you're expecting. That way, it will manage all the cases. So that would be it for now. I hope that next time I have time to do the pair programming and to see if I can work around the problem that the Google handout is giving me. So I appreciate your time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye, everyone.